Hey, what's up, guys? So doing another quick update on the 350. I already had my spacers in the back before, and I decided to put my spacers in the front. Oh my god, look at this shit, man. Can't put my finger in there. That's definitely gonna rub when I hit a bump or a pothole, so I'm gonna have to cut this off here, right here. So hopefully that's all I need to cut right here once I put my Rocket Bunny fenders on. But as it's sitting right now, it's close, man. Right here, I don't even know if I could make a full turn without rubbing against this. But I think in the back it's fine because I have like maybe 2 inches of gap. Man, it look, man, but I'm telling you, man, it looks sick as hell, man, with them tires sticking out like that. Man, with the big ass wing. Yeah, man. No. I can't wait to put my white fenders back on. Yeah, that's it, guys. That's the update I want to let you guys know. I haven't driven it, so I don't know if it's gonna rub. I ran out of time because I thought it was gonna rain, so I didn't get to paint my spoiler. Well, what do you guys think? Should I paint my spoiler teal to match the body kit, or leave it black? I'm thinking I should paint it, but you know, I don't know what you guys think. So if you guys think I should paint it, let me know. If I should leave it black, just, you know, let me know. We're gonna just go around the block, see how it does. Yeah, I can't really tell if the front tires are rubbing up against the front bumper or not without having somebody turn the wheel and me staring at it. I don't know, guys. All I know is that it looks sick as F without the white fenders on or off. Yeah. Alright, guys. Peace out. Hit that like button, subscribe for my next update.